Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I apply that baby food banana hair mask in my hair today. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So you guys, I normally apply my hair mask on either damp hair or sometimes dry hair depending on what products I had in my hair previously. But because I didn't have too heavy products in my hair this last wash and go, I decided to just put this mixture straight on my hair dry. But I kind of screwed up because I almost ran out of hair mask by the time I got to the left or the right side of my hair. But really quick, my thoughts on using baby banana food for a hair mask. You guys, I actually loved it. I didn't have the prep of blending my banana or putting it in the freezer waiting for the banana to get ripe. I am not sure if it had the same nutrients because it was probably a little bit more processed, obviously, but the back of the container said it was just bananas. So I am not 100% sure if it really makes a difference. I think mentally, if you are more of a natural, hey, I'm gonna do everything DIY without using processed anything, then using the bananas frozen would probably be best for you. But honestly, using the baby food banana, it's a more expensive route because the baby food was probably $3 or $4. I know it was it's a lot more pricier than just using a 25-cent banana. So with that being said, I would most definitely, just because I'm a frugal type of person, I will still use a real banana and just let it get ripe. But if I don't want to wait for it to get ripe, I would actually use baby food bananas. I like the creaminess. My hair was super moisturized. It was a thick consistency. I would probably put a little bit more liquid in there. I don't know if I would say water, but I really love the way that it made my hair really soft and smooth. So yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna ramble through this video that much. I feel like it would probably have the same benefits and the same benefits of doing a hair mask. It was really creamy. But the reason why I did this video is because I had a lot of comments down in my comment sections hey, can you use baby food bananas? And honestly, I had no problem with using the baby food bananas. It was less work. I didn't have to strain seeds or banana pulp out of the hair mask. I literally just made the mixture and applied it straight to my hair. It was so creamy. It smelled so delicious. So you guys, honestly, give it a try. If you give it a try, please leave comments down below and let me know what you guys think about it. So I'm going to stop rambling now and just let you guys finish watching the rest of the video. I did follow up with a shampoo and I styled my hair just so you guys will know. I did not just rinse this out of my head. I did thoroughly clean my hair after applying this to my scalp. So yeah, you guys, if you have any more questions, please leave them down below. And thank you guys so much for watching.